All right, gang, welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. I hope everybody had a good day. I hope everybody had a profitable day today. Let's get right to it, man. Let's dive in. For those platform members, we're currently holding a sell from uh, from the New York session today. So let's take a look. Let's take a look where we're at. I'm going to mark that up now. But before I do that, let's kind of go over the markups real quick. Let me delete this here real quick. All right, let's take a look here. Let's start off the weekly here. All right, so let's mark up the highs. All right, so that's our resistance level off the weekly. We have this low right here for support on the weekly time frame. We are getting some heavy rejections here off the weekly. Came up, didn't break the highs, came up, wick back down. Now this candle, I'm assuming is making this top wick here. As long as we don't break the highs here, we should make this top wick and then flip. So we got a bit of a top wick here. I'm not sure if it's gonna go a little steeper and then flip back down. But I think that eventually, we're gonna make an attempt to break these lows here and drive down and drop down to this range down here. We're going down to the daily time frame. Same markups here. We move the high a little bit here though, right there. So we got the highs here on the daily. So we're kind of in this range, as you can see, kind of ranging in here. But we are making lower highs, lower high, lower high here. So, we're on this like diagonal, which we should pay attention to only because, we could come up and potentially try to re-break. Now, notice the daily candle closed bullish, but no top wick. Now, the new daily just opened up. This could be a bottom wick for gold to flip up then after making this bottom wick. So I'm thinking it might want to come up and test this high here. So it might tap into that 2350, 2355 level. It's possible, unless with the top wick holds off here around these areas of support and resistance here. So we'll see. But the daily candle open with no top wick, so I'm expecting this to push up at some point. So let's see what happens. Unless it comes down, if it rips down and takes out the lows, then this thing might run without a top wick here. Let's see. So going into the 4 hour now, you can see that move down. Let me adjust this trend line. All right. Let's show this up slightly. All right. Yeah, so this is what we're looking at here. The current 4 hour. Let me stretch this out here. Yeah, the current 4 hour, no top wick. Previous 4 hour, no top wick. So again, this could be a bottom wick for this thing to flip up. But again, it might come up and want to tap this level here. And then once we tap, we'll get the rejection down. But we'll be patient and wait. We're currently in profit on our trade now. We're up about 20, 22 pips at the moment. So I'll kind of put that on the screen here. But if there's any opportunities for any pineapple entries, I'll definitely be taking those tonight. So let's take a look here. Let me mark up my short positions here on the screen. All right. So that's our current position now. And let's wait patiently. Let's wait. Move this down a little bit more right there. Perfect. So that's what we're looking at now at the moment, guys. So We're currently in profit on our earlier trade for those platform members that took that signal with me. That's where we're at right now. So let's see if this could possibly be the drop here. Then this is a correction to this drop here, and then we're going to continue now to drive down. But in order to confirm that, we will have to break this low here, which I'll mark as well. I think that once we take out the lows here, we should be good to go. Yeah, so let's see if we come down and break below this level and then get the range to fill. Some of you might have already taken profit. If you're looking to get back into this trade, what I would say is if we do go into some drawdown, maybe even get stopped out, depending if it's going to flip, we can, for those who are not in the trade, can wait for this area to get tapped up here, just about where our stop loss is. We might even extend that slightly, but I'll mark this level right here. So it's possible that we might want to come up and tap into this level here before we get rejected. If you see that gold makes that move up, being that we have no top wick on the daily or the 4-hour, it's possible that gold might want to come up and make a top wick here before driving down. So we'll wait and see. So that would be an opportunity for an entry, for a sell, for those who took profit earlier, because we caught this drop here. So we were in this drop here, and we were definitely up in solid profits. I held on to it and then kind of pushed back up, but now we're back in the blue, and let's see if we're going to continue to drive down. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ in the meantime while we're waiting here. And NASDAQ already making that corrective move. I had already marked this up when we talked about the breakout out of this range. Then when we came out and broke out in this range here, and then we kind of consolidated and then we pushed up. Now what did NASDAQ do? It came up, made an all-time high. Now we dropped down right to this support level here, right? So now the question is it going to break? If we get a break below here and we get a confirmation of this breakout here, we're definitely selling it down into this range here. So I might be looking for sells on the NASDAQ if this level gets broken. Yeah, we definitely need a break of this support level. And if you notice, this 4-hour open with no bottom wick, so this could have been the top wick. Previous 4-hour closed bearish, but respecting this level here, this could be a top wick. And then I would say if we come down and take out the lows here, is a good opportunity to take these sells down, but I would prefer to wait for a closure below. If we get a candle to close below and it confirms the breakout, then we can look for opportunities to sell NASDAQ down. Guys, if you haven't, if you joined the stream now, if you haven't hit that like, subscribe button, don't forget to do that and support the channel. I would appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so let's go back to gold here. As a matter of fact, real quick, let's take a look at the dollar index. Let's see where this is at. All right, so yeah, let me just mark this high. I haven't done that yet before, but I think that the dollar is going to try to push, made this high, came down, made a lower high, higher high. Now we got this lower high. This thing might want to start flipping back up. And if we get the dollar to start pushing upwards, then we can say that gold is going to potentially drive down. So, yeah, I'm thinking that the dollar might want to tap into this 106 level up here. Yeah. So we'll be patient. We'll wait to see if we get a push up on the dollar. What do we have coming in here? Oh yeah, on Thursday we have GDP. We got the GDP report, durable goods orders as well. We're expecting lower than the previous. Yeah, so the expectation is 1.3 on the GDP. So let's see what happens. This is gonna definitely move the market. There's also that presidential debate, that Biden Trump debate on Thursday as well. So I could expect some huge volatility in the market, especially going into Friday. So that'll be expected. But yeah, so let's keep an eye on the dollar here as well, and keep watching gold here. So again, our current trade is we're running about 23 pips in profit at the moment. So let's see. See if we're gonna come down and tap this level. We tap this level here again. I'll definitely take my partials here, and then I'll hold my runner down to fill the rest of the range. Let's see this trade. Only because I'm expecting this candle to flip because it has no top wick. I might consider going break even. Yeah, we're up a little over 25 pips. You know what, guys? I'm moving stops to break even here on this trade. Yeah, I'm gonna go risk free here, but I haven't taken my partials. But I'm moving stops only because it's possible we'll get that flip up. If that's the case, we'll go risk free and we'll wait for a better entry. Respect this level here, right around that 2340 range. Yeah, we're pushing down. We're running 30 pips here. 30 something pips. Not bad. Guys, if you're on stream and you're watching the stream now, just don't forget to hit that like button, to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Just hit that like and subscribe button, guys, and support the channel. Yeah, we're already break even, guys, on this trade as well. So if you haven't moved your stops to break even, do so now. We're running nicely up about 32 pips or so. So I would advise you to just move the stops there, just in case this thing decides to reflip back up. If we drive, we drive, you know. For those who took profit earlier, though, I know we were up nearly 50 pips at one point. I would say if we're going to drive all the way down, you know, we'll see how price reacts at this level here. If we get the break below here, you can take a new entry here, and you know, for those who held on all day today, we'll probably be in solid profit, and we can trail our stops at that point. I want to see if we come down and tap this level, and then I'll go. I'll take my partials here. We're running 35 pips, guys. Nice trade. There's a lot of key levels here that we have to keep an eye on. I'm the only reason why I went break even and I'm doing it this soon into the trade as far as where the price is only because there's no top wicks here. So we came and formed this resistance level here, but previous 4 hour closed with no top wick. New 4 hour just started driving down. So at some point, this candle could flip back up. I mean, about 17 minutes left. So the new 4 hour can come up, make the top wick, tap into this level, and then we get the continuation to the downside. So that would be good for us to re-enter at a higher entry and get a better entry for the ride down. So I would say anywhere between 23, 37, 38 range. Yeah, right around this price range. Yeah, let me just move this down so I can have it there. Yeah, I would say anywhere in this area here. We can come up, tap into this level here, and we'll look for an entry in this range here. AJ, I'm already in a sell. We took a sell. Entry was 23.32. Our stop's already at break even, so our TP's down at about 2300, 2290 on this current trade. So that's where we're at right now. Yeah, so we're up about 20, 25, 27 pips. We should get some volume to come in around that 9 p.m. hour Eastern time. We'll see some volume come in. Yeah, we got about 11 minutes left on this candle here. Let's see. Looks like we're gonna close bearish on this candle. Um, what do I expect? It's possible that the next 4 hour, assuming we close just like this, we might push up, make a top wick, like I said, and then flip bearish before the 4 hour closes. But we'll see. We'll see if we open up and we rip down first. Then, like I said, if we tap this level, I'm taking partials here either way, and I'll trail my stop loss. But either way, if we rip down like this right away with no top wick, eventually I feel like maybe we could still tap this area here and then push back up. But I would prefer to get that top wick first, and then we can take a better entry right up around this range, that 23.38, 23.40 range, and then catch the drop from there. That's the entry I'm looking for if this trade doesn't push down. But again, guys, you can close anytime you want. We're in profit now, about 24 pips now. So if you're not feeling the trade, if you want to wait for a pullback, then take your profits now. You can definitely do that. Patience, gang, patience. Let the trade come to us. We're in this trade risk-free either way, so nothing to worry about. Just let's let the candles print, and we'll make our move when it's presented on the screen, when we see it on the charts and the candles print and our setup is there, we execute. All right, 7 minutes, gang, for this candle closure here on the 4 hour. Let me see. It's actually looking kind of nice on the 1 hour. You see how we're starting to push down now, but these candles have no top wick here. So it's possible this thing can still come up. It can still come up, but again, right? If we drive down and we take out the lows here, we should be good to go down. But we'll wait. Like I said, we're already in profit in this trade, guys, risk-free. So let's be patient and wait and see what the market's going to do. Give me a sec, gang. I'll be right back. All right, gang, let's see where we're at. All right, we got the new 4-hour. Okay, so we push down first. Let's see. We're gonna continue to push down, or are we gonna make a bottom wick and then flip up, come up to this range up here? Let's wait and see. Let's keep a close eye on this candle here. We made a little bit of a top wick. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a big enough top wick to my liking, but if we come down and we take out the lows here, I'll probably take a pineapple entry here and write it down. Please check the NASDAQ. I checked the NASDAQ early in the beginning of the stream, so you can rewind the video and take a look at my analysis on the NASDAQ. We might come down and take out the lows here. Guys, I'm gonna have a sell stop there at the break of the 4-hour lows there. 2327.86. Yeah, we re-break the previous forward lows. If we do that, we'll get activated, and we'll take that pineapple there while we're still holding the original trade here. So let's wait and see. If we get tapped at break even on our current trade, then I'll delete the sell stop. It's trying to come down, but hasn't broken the lows yet. If we take out the lows, we should come down. At least tap into that range there. At least. I get activated here. No, not yet. Not yet. It came close to activating there, but didn't break the lows. All right, yeah, we officially broke the previous 4-hour lows here, so we should get activated. Did I get activated? Almost. Not yet, though. Not quite. Push. It's happening right there to that level. No activation yet. We can get tapped in. All right, gang, I'm activated here on our pineapples here on the sell stop. Break of the previous 4-hour lows. Let's see how we run down here. But yeah, got activated 2327.850. Oh, by the way, I'm moving my stops right here to our break-even point, just above the high of the candle there. So about 23.32 will be my stop loss. That's where I'll set it. Don't need to risk more than 40 ticks there. Is if we reflip and re-break the current candle highs, then it's fine. We'll get taken out there. We'll probably hit our break even as well. But if this thing broke the lows now, it should drive down. At least to tap this target here, we'll definitely close our positions there and also take partials on our original position. Well, let's see if it plays out for us. If not, we have our stops there to manage our risk. And we took our playbook setup, we took the re-break of the previous 4-hour lows, and we should get our push down. Hopefully some volume will kick in as well. There we go. All right, guys. Yeah, we're driving down here. You should see some blue. See, we take out this wick down here now. A little bit of further push down. I'll go break even right away. I want to see if we're gonna come down. If we take out this wick low here, we should get the full move down. But once we come and tap into this wick down here, I'm probably gonna move stops to break even on this new trade here. We're driving down here. Yeah, just a little bit more push. Once we get that push there, all right. Yeah, I'm moving stops to break even here on this new trade. All right, risk free. All right. All right, we're at 14 pips, gang. Trade is risk free there. We're running down. Running down. Yeah, I might 15 pips. I'll close it there. A little bit more of a push. So we're gonna drive down a little further. When it starts to pull up, I'm gonna close it out. Ooh. On there, Simon, 5-6, bro. 5-6. Live trade. You know what, gang? I'm gonna let me see if I'll put down. I'll take 10 pips here. We go push a little bit further down. I want to get this thing flipped, even though we're at break even anyway. All right. Yeah, I closed it there. It started pulling back up, so I didn't want to lose the profits there. All right, but we got that little bit of a push down. I closed it out there with a small profit. But for the initial trade, though, we're still holding this runner down. So let's On our previous trade, though, we're still holding this trade down here. We're up about 51 pips at the moment, so this should be good. It should be good. We're break even, risk free. Let's keep holding here. That's what I thought we were gonna get a big. We might still get that push, but you know, it was a quick scalp because we're already holding this trade from my trading platform. So decided to take that quick trade at the break of the 4-hour lows. Broke down. So we closed it. What did I close it with? Closed it with like 5 pips profit. So good, but we're running down here, gang. We're running down. Let's see. We're gonna tap this level here. Let's see. We're gonna tap in there, and I'll take my partials there. We're running now. Nice job, gang. I could have held that trade, but you know, didn't want to risk this thing flipping back up. We caught the break of the lows there. We caught a quick scalp on that, but again, we're still holding the first trade, and it's running for us right now. So we're currently up about what, 55 pips. I had a sell limit up here. I was thinking that we would have gotten the push up to make a top wick here, but didn't push up. Looks like it's driving down now. If we do tap into this level, like I said, I'm taking partials off this trade anyway. At this level, and I'll hold my runner if we break below and keep driving down. But it could be something where we can tap here, respect this support level, and then try to push up and tap into these levels up here. So yeah, more likely than not we'll probably stay in here. But I think we could break below. If we break this support level here, we're driving down. Yeah, we're gonna come down here. It's gonna be a nice trade. Oh, you traded Onésimo, you traded gold euro. Yeah, I don't. Let me take a look at that. I don't trade the gold euro. What's that looking like? Wait, let me see. I want to see for. Onésimo, I don't know what your entry was, but that is ranging. But it looks like it's about to break here, man. If you get the break, yeah, it's breaking down. That's so well. Yeah, but this is on the 4 hour. What's it looking like? Yeah, you're stalling right down that 1 hour support there. Yeah, it's a pretty strong support level there. But if this thing can push down, if you get a closure below there in the next 20 minutes, then I would hold that sell. I mean, like I said, I don't know what your entry was, but it's gonna. If you get the break here, bro, it's gonna drive down, man. That's a euro, gold euro. Yeah, I can see what you're saying is ranging there, but I would hold that sell, man. It's looking like it wants to drive down, man. You know, already got the top wick here. It should drive down, but only if we get a closure below in the next 18 minutes. Yeah, I think you should be good to go, bro. We're looking good on this sell here, so it's moving down quick. Or gold euro and gold USD, it's the same. Yeah, I don't trade the gold euro personally, but yeah, it looks like it's moving down. The chart looks somewhat similar. It looks like there's a lot more volume though here, a lot more volatility in the gold USD. Wow, guys, we're running 63 pips, guys. It's a nice trade here. Yeah, we took out the lows here. Let's see if we're gonna tap this level. That's what I want to see. I'll hold off a little longer. I'll stay on for another 18 minutes. Let me stay on. I'll stay on for to this 1 hour closure. Let's see with the volume if we get to push down. But if not, like I said, for those holding this trade, is a perfect time to get out. We're up about 62 pips now. It's a perfect time to get out, take your profits. Our stops are break even, guys, so we're risk free in this trade. So you can hold if you want to, take some partials. Make sure you secure something, secure some profits. It's always good to do that. But we're running good right now. Or you entered at 21.73. All right. Yeah, you're in profit. I'm telling you, if you get the break of that support level we talked about, yeah, you should be good to go. We're gonna get the push down here. This is what I want. I want to see this tap this level here. But it's 14 minutes left. I don't know if we have enough volume to push it further down, but we definitely got that push down. A nice push down. Rebroke the previous 4-hour lows. So we should see. We should get this wick fill at the very least. So we might get that push down here. Yeah, we're running 70 pips, 72 pips. Nice sell right here. Ooh, 80 pips. Looks like we're gonna tap. Let me go back to the 1 hour. Yo, this thing's running down. It's pulling back up. Yeah, we're getting that volume. 13 minutes left, gang. Let's see if we're gonna tap into that level. Secure those partials. Oh, what brokers I use? Well, I have an account with FX Choice, and then I have 2 funded accounts. I have a Top One Trader and a Nova Funding account as well. The Nova and the Top One are prop firm accounts. Hey, we're not gonna push down here. We got 10 minutes, man. We're getting close. Yeah, I want to see this get tapped here, man. we're driving now. There we go. Yeah, we might tap this. 7 minutes left on this candle, but it's driving. Minutes. Are we gonna tap in? If we don't tap in, I'm taking partials either way. Just want to see if we could get the tap in, but this thing can close bearish, and then the next candle can come up, and you know, might even retap our break even. Remember, we have no top wicks up here. If you look at the 4-hour, we don't have a top wick on this candle, so it's possible, you know, especially if we respect this support level here, that we can bounce back up and come up and want to make this top wick. I have a sell limit up here in this area. It's possible, you know, we might try to push up during London session, and then we can get the entry up here. But we're definitely in good profit here. We're up about 72 pips at the moment. So let's see what happens. Looks like it's trying to wick back up. But I'll wait for this 1 hour closure with you guys. I'll wait here and see what happens in the next 4 minutes. Guys, for those who are interested in the Signals platform, the link is in the description here on the video. So if you're interested, you can shoot me an email, and I'll be glad to let you guys know how I have everything set up. Oh, it looks like we're pulling up a little bit. Nah, it's still in solid profits. Man, it made a nice push, but came up short. We got 2 minutes left on the candle, and it's starting to pull back up. Let's see. We're still kind of, this could be a potential off the 1 hour. For those who like to draw up these flag patterns, I mean, you got this flag pattern on the 1 hour here. Let me see. We mark it up like this. Yeah. I mean, we already broke below the flag, so it was like a bearish flag pattern. Marking it up prior to these candles here, then we already got the break below. So this thing should drive down. I mean, we can come down, right? Retest, and then get the break down. So that's possible. We took out this support level here as well. Looks like we're going to close below that support level off the 1 hour. Yeah, this support level off the 4 hours. So we definitely broke below there. Definitely looking to close back below there on the 1 hour. We got 30 seconds left on this candle, gang. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to tap the level here, but we're good. Again, for my platform members, again, that caught this sell with me, we're holding strong. I believe gold will continue to push down after making this correction to that massive drop. So once we got this big drop here, we came back, made this correction, and then we should see the next push down, especially once we break below this line here, which is the 4 hour support that I marked here. So all right, gang, so that's all I got for tonight. We'll be back at it tomorrow on our Signals platform for the New York session, and then I'll be looking to stream tomorrow. Tomorrow for Asia session, I'll be back online. So, gang, that's all I got for tonight. I appreciate you guys tuning in and hanging out with me. We got news Thursday and Friday this week, so not much happening tomorrow either. So it should be a smooth sailing for tomorrow on the trading. So everyone have a good night. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and see you guys tomorrow. Peace.